Hi, I'm Anusha Kasim, working as a senior software developer. I did my bachelor's in computer science from Lambda, and I've been working on multiple Python frameworks like Django, Flask, and I've also recently started working on Odoo ERP. Apart from mentoring individuals to kickstart their career in Python, I've also given various lightning talks. If we talk about my day-to-day routine, I'm also involved in community service activities and sports such as volleyball and table tennis. At work, within my team, I ensure the sprint stories are clarified to all the developers for better business knowledge. I try my best to outdo my coding skills every time, which as a result has also made me one of the first 5 winners of Developer Incentive Program conducted for our team recently. My professional journey continues as I explore the world of technology and find how my mind approaches different logical problems in different cases. Having said that, I've created this course, Python Beyond the Basics, to polish your skills and to allow you to feel confident as well while coding. Elements used in programming are discussed in detail, enabling you to implement best practices and also be able to reason why they should be followed. You will be learning different string formatting techniques to eventually find that F strings are most efficient, the use of args and quarks and how asterisk operators are used for packing and unpacking, different comprehension techniques, generators, decorators, Lambda functions, all of them will be covered in detail. So enroll now and learn to go beyond the basics. See you in the course!